world? I'm coming to you live from the fire escape where I ended up eating the first strawberry. So there was a strawberry growing here and it ripened and I ate it this morning, but I did not take video footage of the eating process. I should have. So what I want to talk to you about is my peas. I was having issues with sticks. I didn't have sticks that were tall enough to put in the pot so that my peas could grow, you know, higher and higher. I did make this little stick out of shish kebab sticks, tall enough for my orange tree, but that's neither here nor there. I didn't want to do that for the peas. And so my sister had done this a few years ago for her peas and her beans that she had growing out here, and so I did it a little sloppy. I don't know, it's sloppy looking because I don't know how to talk. This side here looks nice, but then once I got over here, it just went a little crazy with the diagonal thingies. Whatever, the point is it's working, and as you can see, you know, they've attached themselves to the string in all different ways. And so this guy here has made it to the top, and then this right here is my first pea flower that came up, and the first pea for my boo-boo. It'll be the third year where I grow the peas and save the first one for him. I have the other two inside, but this is just, you know, a cute little way and an easy way to make a trellis for your peas and shit. Here I have the other variety of peas with the purple pods, and as you can see, we've got a flower right there. We've got flowers happening here and up there. Nothing yet on the third plant, and I'm not sure what's going on down here. This plant, for some reason, it's not growing pretty tall. Like, it's taking long, and now it's begun to grow, and the bottom leaves are like dying off or whatever. But that's what's happening here. I give it maybe another week and I'll be harvesting Boo Boo's first pea. So while we're here, this is my avocados, what they're looking like now. I got rid of all the old leaves that were on it, and this is all the new growth since it's been outside on both the plants. An eggplant was added to the garden up here, and my neighbor gave me a bunch of these little glass fruits. And this one was an eggplant, so I stuck it in the pot, like as a marker. And then over here is just like flowers and stuff. I got the flowers that I planted for my grandma. The fuchsias with 2 new flowers there. Mint, the purple heart that is now finally growing nicely. And up here I've got the beans. Hold on, let me see. The beans that I planted, they both came up, but this guy came up with no nothing, no leaves but a bean, and then the dill, and then, you know, my portulacas and my lilies. So yeah, that's what's going on. Quick view of the yard. I have so much to say about what's going on down yonder. Maybe later on today I'll do that. All right, world. Goodbye.